Excited to see what you guys have been working on.
Actually, most of these are from our new head of research and development.
Oh, great. Where are they?
Guy!
This is Q, our new head of research and development.
No, that's Mike. He's not an engineer, scientist, or even a fully formed human.
Okay, well, first off, that hurt. Secondly, how do you know what I can or cannot do? You haven't even seen my inventions yet.
I might regret this. Okay, Mike, show us what you got.
I call this one the Hot Dog Me 20007.
What does it do?
It cooks half a hot dog and broccoli together.
Wow, that's great.
I call this one Idea Number 2.
Is that just a yam?
Sure is. My Tato produces 0.00000000001 watts of power and only half the nuclear waste of 3 full-size facilities.
Wow, that's great. Wait. Mike, is that just a stick?
Yeah, I was kind of hoping it was a magic wand that some drunken wizard might have dropped in the alleyway, but yeah, nah, it's just a stick.
Yeah, okay, we're done here.
Wait! I have one more invention to show you, and trust me, this one, more than the others, more than anything I have ever made in my life, is something absolutely, truly revolutionary. Let me show you.